Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today we're going to have a look at what comes inside this Papercraft Society. This is box number 44 and I'm really excited to have a look inside. I haven't even opened it yet. So this box is by Sandra. Don't compare yourself to others. Be proud of what you create, as it's just as unique as you. I agree. I think everything we create, especially as card makers, we don't see our cards as works of art. And they really are. They're one-off, handmade pieces, works of art. So Sandra, what have we got inside? On the front of the wallet, it has Sanntangle. And the wallet looks really cool. We also get some tissue paper with some products inside. So we'll have a look at that in a moment. First of all, we'll have a look and see what's inside the wallet. So don't forget to share any makes on the Papercraft Society hashtag. Always good to share your makes. We've got some stamps, stencils, paper. Lovely. So we have some really nice stamps here. I'm going to just grab a piece of white cardstock so we can better see the stamps. We have joy, art, friend and relax, and we have some really lovely images. Really cool. So that's one of the stamp sets. We also get a second stamp set. This one has love, dream and hope. And again, we have some beautiful images here that we can color in. We get some cardstock here, and I'll just open this and we'll have a look. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of cardstock. This is white cardstock and it's really smooth cardstock. So that's that and those stamps, and I'm going to put a couple of sheets behind the other stamp set so you'll have a better look. Perfect. And then we have some stencils. So we have a circle, a square, a smaller square, smaller circle. Then we have decreasing sizes of circles. We have these corners. We have dots around the corners as well. And more of the corners here at the top right and top left. Very cool stencil. And then this one has lovely shapes on it as well. These are like teardrop shapes. And again, some more dots. And I think it will all become clear once we have a look at the booklet that comes in the kit as well. So we have some coordinating cardstock here. We have some, I think this is all single-sided pattern paper. Very cool imagery on this. It's like water droplets. I love the blacks and the greens. And we get lots of these. So we've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sheets of pattern paper. I love the blue. Very cool. So some great colors in there. So that's everything that has come in the wallet. Now we also get some products in the tissue paper that's in the box, and our booklet should be in there as well. So I'll move this out of the way and we'll have a look and see what comes inside the tissue paper. So this is the booklet that comes with our Papercraft Society box, and inside it tells us what's inside the box. So we have 12 single-sided A5 sheets of pattern cardstock. We have 2 A5 stamp sets. We have some pre-printed tiles, and that's what's on these, I think. Color these your way or use as inspiration for your own tangling projects. I've never tangled before. We also get 2 versatile 6x6 stencils. We get tortillons and sharpener. So we have these here. We have a pack of 3 different size tortillons for blending out. You have a pencil plus a sandpaper sharpener. That's what this is. Once you take off the top page, you have sandpaper on that, and that's for cleaning and reshaping these tortillons. We also get watercolor cardstock, and that's these ones here. We get 5 6-inch squares for designing your tangling projects. We get 24 handy black photo corners for mounting your tiles. And we get 2 black markers here and here. One is a fine tipped one. I have something similar to that in my stash. And then the other one is a thick one. And we also get an essential 2B pencil for sketching, and that's what this is here. So that's all the products that came inside this Papercraft Society book. There is lots of inspiration in the little booklet as well. And yeah, it shows you how to use your stencils and doing tangling and stuff like that. So that's everything we got in the Sanntangle Papercraft Society box by Sandra. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I'm going to leave it there, folks, and I'll be back to you again really soon with another video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.